Welcome to my channel, dear student. Today I am going to talk about the GATE mechanical exam. What are the things you should know and the mistake students normally do, should not do. So I am going to make this video. This is the GATE mechanical resource. It is created by me, Mahendra Singh, MTech, NIT Rourkela. These are the things is come your mind when you are going for preparing for GATE exam during your engineering. Where can I find GATE previous papers? Can I get free subject wise solution of GATE? How to study individual subject? Where can I ask doubt and share my knowledge? Which books are best to study from? Format and statistics of GATE exam. If above thought haunt you, this presentation is for you. This presentation is going to kill all your doubts related with GATE exams in mechanical engineering. This presentation is focused is have all useful link at one place. Most of the images and text in this presentation are clickable. If you have any doubt or suggestion, write us. This presentation will be continuously updated based on your feedback. So what is GATE format? In GATE, general aptitude cover 15 marks, technical 25 question, 30 question, total 85 marks. So from aptitude 15 marks, from technical 85 marks, total 100 marks. There will be some 1 marks question and there will be some 2 marks question. In general aptitude section, 5 question will be of 1 mark and 5 question will be 2 marks. Then 5 plus 10 will be 15. In technical, 25 question will be 1 marks and 30 question will be 2 marks. So 30 question will give 60 marks and 25 question will give 25 marks. These are the list of some institute which organize these exams, mainly IITs. In 2004, IIT Delhi conducted the exams. 2005 IIT Bombay, 2006 IIT Kharagpur, 2007 IIT Kanpur, 2008 ISC Bangalore, 2009 IIT Roorkee, 2010 IIT Guwahati, 2011 IIT Madras, 2012 IIT Delhi, again 2013 IIT Bombay, 2014 IIT Kharagpur, 2015 IIT Kanpur, 2016 ISC Bangalore, 2017 IIT Roorkee, 2018 IIT Guwahati, 2019 IIT Madras. In the sequence way, these IITs conducted the exams. This is the GATE average marks from the different subject. Aptitude 15%, Mathematics 13%, Mechanics 3%, Production 16%, SOM 8%, TOM Theory of Machine 8%, Fluid Mechanics 8%, Heat Transfer 6%, Thermodynamics 8%, Industrial 7%, Machine Design 4%, RAC 4%. This is the pie chart of the subjects percentage. Next, GATE year-wise paper. This is the list. By clicking on the list, you can get GATE 2018 Set 1 paper, Set 2 paper, answer key for Set 1, Set 2, GATE 2017 paper. You can get Set 1, Set 2, and answer key for same. 16, 15, 14. In 14, there is a 4 set. In 15, 3 set. 16, 3 set. In GATE 2013 only one set. That time the exam will be offline. Paper pen mode. 2012 set 1, 2011 set 1. This is the gate subject: general aptitude, mechanics, mathematics, theory of machines, mechanics of material, machine design, fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics, RAC, production engineering, management. GATE 2018 analysis. This is the GATE 2017 analysis. What is the marks of GATE All India rank 1? What is the marks of All India rank 3? You can see all the data. Here I am going to cover the detail of the subject. First is the engineering mathematics. How to study engineering mathematics is: engineering mathematics has got a average weightage of 13 marks, so you are always sure that it's very important and there is not much fluctuation in its weightage. Mathematics is simple and mostly consists of part that students study in first and second semester. It is easy and scoring, not much effort has to be applied. Questions asked in GATE are simple and straightforward except one or two. Coaching notes are very good for preparing math as they put in variety of questions in note, and previous year question practice is obviously important. You will understand the trend which repeat again and again. These are the books which you can refer: B.S. Grewal, Higher Engineering Mathematics, Khanna Publication; Higher Engineering Mathematics, H.K. Das, Yash Chand Publication, H.K. Das and Rajneesh Burma. This is the syllabus of engineering mathematics: linear algebra, matrix algebra, system of linear equation, eigenvalue and eigenvector, calculus, functions of single variable, limit, continuity and differentiability, mean value theorem, indeterminate form, evaluation of definite and improper integral, double and triple integral, partial derivatives, total derivatives, Taylor series in one and two variables, maxima and minima, Fourier series, gradient, divergence and curl, vector identities, directional derivatives, line, surface and volume integral, application of Gauss, Stokes and Green theorem, differential equation, first order solution equation, linear and non-linear, higher order linear differential equation with consistent coefficient, Euler-Cauchy equation, initial and boundary value problem, Laplace transformation, solution of heat wave and Laplace equation, complex variable analytic function, Cauchy-Riemann equation, Cauchy integral theorem and integral formula, Taylor and Lorentz series, probability and statistics, definition of probability, sampling theorem, conditional probability, mean, median, mode and standard deviation, random variables, binomial, Poissons and normal distribution. Numerical method, numerical solution of linear and nonlinear algebraic equation, integration by trapezoidal and Simpson's rule, single and multi-step method for differential equation. How to study? Engineering mechanics has no fixed weightage. This is the subject: engineering mechanics. Engineering mechanics has no fixed weightage as it fluctuates a lot from as high as 11 marks to 0 marks. The syllabus is mostly class 12 physics. The questions asked are also of school level, not much in-depth knowledge is required. Practice previous year question and read the basic concept used in the question from any standard book or internet. This subject should not be given priority and can be understood even 1 month before exam without any hustle. So that's all about engineering mathematics preparation strategy. Syllabus: free body diagram and equilibrium, trusses and frames, virtual work, kinematics and dynamics of particles and of rigid body in plane motion, impulse and momentum, linear and angular, and energy formulation, collision. This is the book which you can refer. Engineering mechanics. Next, mechanics of material, which is also known as strength of material. Strength of material is very important subject. You cannot get good marks in GATE or any other exams without this subject. Initially reading from notes you may not understand much, so a combination of notes and a book is essential. At the same time, keep on solving previous year GATE and ESE question so that you practice what you read. Most of the time we understand the concept in wrong way and only realize while solving questions. So it will be a mixture of these initially, and later on you will automatically converge to particular topic from each material. In my case, later on, I made book as my sole refuge and would write every important point on the space available at the top and bottom of the page. Although coaching going student would prefer their own class notes. These are the two books which you can refer. Dr. R. K. Bansal, a textbook of strength and material. Syllabus of mechanics of material is stress and strain, elastic constant, Poisson's ratio, Mohr circle for plane stress and plane strain, thin cylinder, shear force and bending moment diagram, bending and shear stresses, deflection of beam, torsion of circular shaft, Euler's theory of column, energy method, thermal stresses, strain gauge and Rosette's, testing of material with universal testing machine, testing of hardness and impact strength. How to study the theory of machine subject. This is one subject which has so many formula to learn by heart. From 2015, governor and gyroscope were two new topic added. Although very basic question like just put the value and get answer type were asked in GATE 2015. So overall it's easy subject and doing variety of objective problem is very essential. Theoretical part is less and more of numerical subject. You can study from notes or book, and I have seen that note go exactly like Theory of Machine book by S.S. Ratan. There are few tricks that you may not find in book. You will come to know when you do objectives. Vibration syllabus is also covered in Ratan book, so there is no need to buy separate book. Although I have seen students buying book like Gruber 5 vibration, hence it depends on person to person. This is Theory of Machine by S.S. Ratan. This is the syllabus of Theory of Machine, displacement, velocity and acceleration analysis of planar mechanism, dynamic analysis of linkage, cams, gear and gear train, flywheel and governor, balancing of reciprocating and rotating masses, gyroscope, vibration free and forced vibration of single degree of freedom system, effect of damping, vibration, isolation, resonance, critical speed of shaft. Next is the machine design subject. How to study machine design has a very small syllabus and also it basic, no extra brain has to be applied on it. During preparation everyone score good marks in machine design. Just 2-3 reading you will understand everything. By solving last year paper you will get more understanding of concept. Also there are mostly formula in machine design who should be there on your tips to solve objective, as deriving them may take a lot of time like minimum number of teeth, bearing formula, Sommerfeld number, spring stiffness, etc. Notes are same as in books, so I don't think there is any difference between them. It's not that there is something written in notes and that is hidden somewhere in book. It's not like production where what you find in notes you may not find in a particular book easily. This is the book B.V. Bhandari, Design of Machine Element. This is the syllabus of machine design. Machine design designed for static and dynamic loading, failure theory, fatigue strength, and Descent diagram. Principle of design of machine elements such as bolted, riveted, and welded joint, shaft, gear, rolling and sliding contact bearing, brake and clutches, springs. Next subject is fluid mechanics, where how to study. When students go for interview in BARC, ISRO or other PSU or IIT, majority of students will say, "Sir, my favorite subject is fluid mechanics." Yes, it's true because it's simple and if you study it, you will surely understand it. One thing that people tend to forget is they keep on reading the theoretical part of FM and think they have completed it, but when you they give test series or solve last year paper, FM is one subject in which you will perform poorly even when you think that you know and have understood FM. So it's very essential that along with every topic you keep on seeing get question so that you get an idea of what all things to study and which topics are very important. This is the book Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machine by R.K. Bansal, Dr. R.K. Bansal. This is the book Hydraulic and Mechanics, including hydraulic machine, Dr. P.N. Modi and Dr. S.M. Sethi. Fluid mechanics syllabus, fluid property, fluid statics, manometry, buoyancy, forces on submerged body, stability of floating body, control volume, analysis of mass, momentum and energy, fluid acceleration, differential equation of continuity and momentum, Bernoulli equation, dimensional analysis, discuss fluid of incompressible fluid, discuss flow of incompressible fluid, boundary layer, elementary turbulent flow, flow through pipes, head losses in pipe, bend and fitting, turbo machinery, impulse and reaction turbine, impulse and reaction principle, velocity diagram, Pelton wheel, Francis and Kaplan turbine. Next is the heat transfer, how to study. First of all, I must say that it the easiest subject. After going through it, once you will understand most of the concept of heat transfer, conduction, heat exchanger, and radiation. Almost everyone knows well. Mostly problem faced is with convection, which seem totally new, complex, and not easy to understand. But after doing all previous GATE questions and ESC question, majority of students will get it right, and you too are one of them. Therefore, highly recommend to do previous year solved paper when you don't understand a thing. A very important note here for those who are preparing on their own is NPTEL video on heat transfer by Professor SP Sukhatme. He is faculty here at IIT Bombay. Professor Sukhatme has taught conduction, heat exchanger and radiation part very nicely. His way of teaching is super. Click here for his video on YouTube. Please do not forget to make note while seeing his video so that you don't have to watch them again. The convection part, however, is taken by Professor Getonde, who too is a great teacher, but he teaches beyond the scope of what is required for GATE or other competitive exam. So for convection part, notebook and previous paper will only help. This is the syllabus of heat transfer, mode of heat transfer, one-dimensional heat conduction, resistance concept and electrical analogy, heat transfer through fins, unsteady heat transfer, lumped parameter system, Hassler chart, thermal boundary layer, dimensionless parameter in free and forced convection heat transfer correlation for flow over flat plate and through pipes, effect of turbulence, heat exchanger performance, LMTD and NTU method, radiative heat transfer, Stephen Boltzmann law, Beans displacement law, black and gray surface, view factor, radiation network analysis. Basic of heat and mass transfer, Dr. D.S. Kumar. Heat and mass transfer, Yunus A. Senjal, Afshin J. Ghangar. Thermodynamics, how to study. This is one of the subject which subject just passed during their semester exam and have no idea about its concept. This subject easy when you have read it 5 times thoroughly. Yes, you need to study it again and again to understand its basics. Books by P.K. Nag is the most followed one. So doing solved question at the end of chapter will really help in grabbing the concept. Although only basic question in the solved exercise need to be done, and obviously previous year question will help a lot. I would recommend NPTEL video when you want to understand a particular topic. Video by Professor S.K. Som from IIT Kharagpur are great. You can click here to see on YouTube video. His video on gas and vapor cycle are highly recommended. Engineering Thermodynamics by P.K. Nag. Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach. Syllabus of Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics system and process. Property of pure substance. Behavioral of ideal and real gases. Zeroth and first law of thermodynamics, calculation of work and heat in various processes. Second law of thermodynamics, thermodynamic property, chart and table. Availability and irreversibility, thermodynamic relations, power engineering, air and gas compressor, vapor and gas power cycle, concepts of regeneration and reheat, IC engines, air standard, auto diesel and dual cycle. Next is the RAC. This subject is interesting as well as easy. The syllabus is small, so in a week you can easily go from zero level to gate level. It has some basic definition, formula and numerical. Based on that, it should be done in the end after all the main subjects are complete. Before 1 or 2 months of exam, it should be studied as it does not require many revision. Syllabus of RAC, vapor and gas refrigeration and heat pump cycle, property of moist air, psychometric chart, basic psychometric process, the book refrigeration and air conditioning, CP Arora, a textbook of refrigeration and air conditioning, S. Chand, R.S. Khurmi and J.K. Gupta. You can refer. Next is the production. How to study. This is the most important subject and you need to study this wholeheartedly. One of the biggest misconception is that it is theory subject, but I must reveal you the truth that it is a numerical subject. You talk about casting, machining or metrology, all have numerical. For those who are starting, I must advise that leave theory part, just focus on numerical. Once you get little experience, just see theory of those questions which have come in objective problems of GATE or SC. That all, no more theory. Notes are the best. Content in the book are scattered and it would take a lot time to sort it out. Although machining, metrology and casting are very well given in PC Sharma book, you may refer to them, you would not regret. There are other good books like P.N. Rao, Kalpak Jain and Amitabh Ghosh. It is not possible to read all these books, so choose the book which you have already studied in semester or the book your friend are studying. Now talking about engineering material, well from this subject as max 1-2 question will be asked. So I recommend to study only the basic like unit set, Miller indices and defect. These things we have been studying from our school days. Don't put extra effort in material science and you can gladly leave this subject if you have limited time. This is the book you can refer. PC Sharma, a textbook of production technology, a textbook of production engineering, manufacturing process by Kalpak Jain, manufacturing science by Amitabh Ghosh and Ashok Kumar Malik, manufacturing technology first and second by P.N. Rao, volume 1, volume 2. Next is the syllabus of production engineering material, structure and property of engineering material, phase diagram, heat treatment, stress diagram for engineering material, casting for joining process, different types of casting, design of pattern, mold and course, solidification and cooling, riser and gating design, plastic deformation and yield criteria, fundamental of hot and cold working processes, load estimation for bulk forging, rolling, extrusion, drying and sheet shearing, deep drying, bending, metal forming process, principle of powder metallurgy, Principle of building, brazing, soldering and adhesive bonding, machining and machine tool operation, mechanics of machining, basic machine tools, single and multi point cutting tool, tool geometry and material, tool life and wear, economics of machining, principle of non-traditional machining process, principle of work holding, design of jig and fixture, metrology and inspection, limit fit and tolerance, linear and angular momentum, comparator, gauge, design, interferometry, form and finish measurement, alignment and testing method, tolerance analysis in manufacturing and assembly, computer integrated manufacturing, basic concepts of CAD, CAM and their integration tool. How to study industrial engineering. I would describe industrial engineering syllabus as aptitude question and management theory. Most of the time you don't need to put your brain into work, just put the value, follow a procedure and it's done. Many formula and definition to be remembered with 3-4 reading. It will fit in your brain and little revision will revive all of industrial engineering from your memory. Those in final year generally have problem with this as in 7-8 semester you do these subjects so you may not have already done the topic at college before GATE exam but reading on your own and solving previous year objective will suffice. This is Operation Research by Yash Chand. Author is Engineer Prem Kumar Gupta and Dr. D.S. Hira. This is Operation Research by Kanti Swarup, P.K. Gupta and Manmohan. This is Sultan Chand and Son publication. Industrial engineering syllabus, production planning and control, forecasting model, aggregate production planning, scheduling, material requirement planning, inventory control, deterministic model, safety stock, inventory control system, operation research, linear programming, simplex method, transportation, assignment, network flow model, simple queuing model, PERT and CPM. This is the ideal timetable for the student which you want to do in the GATE exam. Wake up at 6:30 a.m. Do your normal routine. Don't take bath. Study 7 to 9 a.m. Start studying any subject. Now tired, take a bath. You will feel fresh. Study 10 to 12. Again study. Continue the pace. Tired. Eat too much now and hungry. Sleep 2 to 4 p.m. I am tired. Now I will sleep. Sleep. Study 4 to 6 p.m. Wash your face. Start studying. Fun. It's evening time. Don't be at home. Go outside. Dinner. Come home. Take bath. Have dinner. Study 9 to 11. Too much fun I had. Let's study. Read. Read or see that motivates you. Sleep 11:30. Do your normal routine. Don't take bath. Ideal timetable for GATE which I had come to follow at last after a lot of changes and experiences. That passion of studying 12 17 hours is not at all possible. Even you follow it for 2 days, you will get so much exhausted that next 2 days you will take rest and will arise a repulsive force with book. So always remember in life that be practical in your life. Be it an interview, timetable, friend, family, etc. Every has limit and try to cross them. It will be destructive only. Study time for GATE 8 hours. You can cut it to 6 hours and also don't matter much. But did you lose any fun time? Hectic? Did you enjoy? Did you have time to talk to family? Do's and don'ts. Go through the previous year question paper so that you can get an idea of the type of question to prepare. It will help you decide to focus on the theoretical part or numerical part. Evaluate yourself how much you need to work on yourself. You are weak in some topic or strong. Prepare a timeline to complete your topic so that you complete your syllabus in time. Once you one subject gets completed, it has to be revised frequently so that formula can be remembered on the long run. Prepare short note for any topic and it should only contain formula and important point. Reach each and every topic, prepare all subject, take help of NPTEL carefully. It consumes your time too, so decide intelligently. Read standard book for concept and solve differential numerical. Give test as much as you can, but it should be given to improve, not to compare to other. Don't procrastinate. Be consistent in your effort. Do not study at a pace where you sleep, eat, and do all other chores. You will sleep more than you study. When practicing previous year, be patient. Do not just read a question and see it answer. Let your mind work even if it takes some time initially. This will build up your problem solving ability. Do not blindly follow others for the strategy. Be your own critic. Make your own strategy. Use your study time only for preparing relevant topic in syllabus and not for preparing the whole book. Do not get disheartened if preparation is not going well. Maintain your equilibrium. Don't eat unhealthy food. Take care of your health. Don't use offline calculator during practice, but use online calculator. Do not study more than two subjects simultaneously. Do not overload yourself with too much hours of study time. Do not attend any family function, interview, etc. 1 month before exam. Thank you for reading through the presentation. We sincerely hope that you liked it and would you help you to prepare for GATE exam. In case you get help with our work, help others to like us on your page. Leave us note of appreciation. Your appreciation encourages us and motivates us to come with more such presentation. Help us make this presentation better. These are my coachings institute. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.